It's Mother Nature on steroids out there.
Currents and whirling eddies, and the Gulf Stream itself, the most unpredictable of all of the planet Earth. The mighty Gulf Stream, the most powerful current on Earth. There is no way you're going to be able to just shoot north. You're constantly crabbing and reconfiguring. The navigator has to be a mathematical genius.
And it's Mother Nature on steroids out there.
Don't I deserve a little luck after I've had so much bad luck on my previous 4 tries?